In a kingdom wrapped in snow live two sisters, hearts aglow. Elsa had magic, icy and bright, while Anna's love shone warm with light. One day, Elsa's power took flight, creating wonders, a sparkling sight. But fear made her run to a palace of ice, leaving Anna to pay the price. With courage and hope, Anna set out to find her sister and conquer doubt. With Kristoff and Sven, they traveled so far through snowy mountains, guided by stars. In the palace, Elsa felt so alone, but Anna's love was a powerful tone. When danger came, Anna made a choice. Her brave heart spoke with a strong, sweet voice. With sisters' love that broke the code, their bond was a treasure more precious than gold. Together they learned that love can win, and brought back this summer, let joy begin. So here's to the sisters, strong and true. With every challenge, they always grew. In a world of magic, they found their way. Together forever, come what may. Please subscribe for more.